Hi everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this session, we are going to discuss about the construction of special angles like 120 degree, 75 degree, 135 degree, 105 degree and the construction of perpendicular bisector of the given line segment. Okay, so do and practice well and listen carefully. Construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. For that we have to get a line segment. Here AB is the line segment. I draw that first. Then we should take the more than half of the length of AB by using only the compass. No need to take exact value. 3/4. From this figure itself we will get 3/4 of this AB. Put the compass at one of the end point and take 3/4 of the distance of AB. Okay. Then we have to draw the arcs to up and down from one of the end point. Then with the same measure we have to draw the arcs from the other end point too. Then we got the two intersecting points x and y. Then we have to join these 2 points x and y and extend. Y is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. Then this M is the midpoint of AB. From A to M and from B to M, that distance should be equal. Like that we can verify the result. Its justification is very simple. That will given in notes that you want to study properly. Let's construct an angle of 120 degree. For that first we have to draw a ray. Here I draw that as OA. Ray OA. This is the initial point O. So how we will draw 120 degree angle? For that we can take any measure by the compass and draw an arc from O. With any measure we can draw an arc from O like this. Okay, like this we can draw. Then for 60 degree what we will do? With the same measure we have to draw one arc from this point to the arc. Only 60 degree. For getting 120 degree we have to get twice of 60. So with the same measure we have to draw one more arc from this point to the arc. Okay. Now when we join these 2 points and extend, then we will get 120 degree. Angle DOB is 120 degree. That you can verify by using the protractor. Construct an angle of 75 degree. We know that 75 degree is 60 plus 15. 15 means what? 30 by 2. For getting 30 what we will do? 60 by 2. So we have to draw 60 degree. Then one more 60 degree. It's half and that's half. Okay, that is the way. So here we can draw the ray first. The required ray. Then here first we have to draw 60 degree angle. For that we can take any measure by the compass and draw an arc from the initial point O. Okay, here we draw one arc with any measure. But in the same measure we have to draw the arc from this point to the arc. Now we got 60 degree. Okay, the 60 degree we need. Then after we have to get 15 degree. Okay, for that we have to draw one more 60 degree. With the same measure we draw the arc. Then here we have to draw the 60 degrees half. For that from these 2 points here we have to draw the arcs. With any measure by both should be same. From these 2 points we have to draw the arc with the same measure. Okay. Now we have to join this point to O. We can give the names of the points as B, C, D. Okay. First we have to mark the point C as 60 degree. Again 60 degree we took and mark D. Then from C and D we draw the arcs with same measure. That point will be E. Now we have to join this O to E. Then we will get this angle as 90 degree. Okay. But what we want to get? This 30 degrees half we want to get again. This 30 degree, this is 60 degree. But here we want to get 15 degree. 60 plus 15 is 75. So we have to get 15 degree means half of this 30 degree we want to construct. So here this point we can give as F. Point F. Then we have to draw the arcs from the C and F with the same measure. Okay. So here I took a measure and draw the arc from C. Then with the same measure I have to draw the arc from F also. Then here I got the intersecting point. I named it as G. Now we have to join G to O. This measure will be what? 15 degree, right? So angle GOB is 15 plus 60, that is equal 75 degree. You should watch this video again and again, then only you will get the idea about the construction of all the angles. Let's construct an angle of 105 degree. We will get 105 by adding 60 and 45 or 90 plus 15. Here I took 90 plus 15. For that we have to construct 90 degree, then 15 degree. For that we have to draw the ray first. Here I draw OA as the ray. O is the initial point. To construct 90 degree, I will draw 60 degree first. This is 60 degree. For 60 degree, I will draw an arc by any measure. With the same measure, I will draw the arc from here to here. Then one more 60 degree I want to get. So one more arc we have to draw. One more arc we have to draw. If it is not intersecting, then we can extend this. Okay. So this is 60 degree. This 60 degree I need to get. Then from this 60 degree I want to get 30. Okay. So that means we have to draw the bisector of this angle 60 degree. For that we have to draw the arcs from C and D with the same measure. So here I will draw the arcs from C with any measure, but with the same measure I will draw the arc from D also. Now I got the point E. Now I have to join E and O. Then I will get 60 plus 30, 90 degree, right? And I can give the name as F. Now this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, because the 60 degrees have we drawn. Okay, so we have to get 90 plus 15. For that 15 we have to draw its bisector, angle bisector of this this space. Okay, that means we have to draw the arc from F and D with the same measure. So here I draw the arc from F with any measure, and with the same measure I have to draw the arc from D also. Then I got another point G. Now I have to join the points G and O. And this G and O, now this much degree will be 15, right? So 60 plus 30 plus 50. 60 plus 30 is 90. Then this 15. Together what it is? 105 degree. Question is, construct an angle of 135 degree. How we will get 135 degree? 90 plus 45 or 180 minus 45. Okay. Here in the notes I will give 90 plus 45 method. But here I will show how to do this 180 minus 45. Okay. So here I draw a ray OA. Then how we will get 180 degree? 180 degree means a straight line. No? So we can extend this ray OA using the ruler. The 180 degree angle straight line. When I extend O to B, then I have to subtract 180 minus 45. For that I have to get 45 degree. How we will get 45 degree? 45 degree means 30 plus 15, right? So first I have to get 30 degree. For that I have to draw 60 degree first. By taking any measure you can draw the arc from the initial point. With the same measure from C we have to draw the arc to the arc. Then I will get the point D. Then to get 30 degree I have to draw the angle bisector of this. For that we have to draw the arc from C and D with the same measure. Okay, so here I draw the arcs from C and D with the same measure. Then I got another intersecting point E. Now I have to join these points O and E. This is 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. Okay, this 30 degree we need. Then we have to draw the bisector of 30 because for getting this 15 degree. Okay, for that what we should do? This point I can give the name as F. Then draw the arcs from D and F with the same measure. Any measure you can take, but from both you can take the same. So here I draw the arc from F. With the same measure I will draw the arc from D too. Then I got another point G. Now I have to join the point G and O. Part is 15 degree. This is also 15. So together this 30 and 15 is 45 degree. So when we subtract 180 minus 45 means this angle is 135 degree. 180 minus this 45 is 135. So angle GOB is 135 degree. Next, construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify the construction. Here the side is not given, so we can take any measure. Here I take, let the side of the equilateral triangle as 6 cm. Then first step is we have to draw a line segment with measure 6 cm. Then we should put the compass at one of the end point of this line segment and take the same measure as 6 and draw the arc from A. Then with the same measure draw the arc from B also. Now we will get an intersecting point, that will be C. Then join AC and CB. Then we will get the equilateral triangle ABC here with side 6 cm. Required equilateral triangle. Then in this question they asked to give the justification. So AB equal BC equal AC equal 6 cm by construction. When the three sides are equal, then it should be a equilateral triangle. So therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. This is the justification for our construction. Okay. That's all for today. In this session, we already discussed about how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment and some special angles like 135 degree, 105 degree, 75 degree, and how to construct an equilateral triangle. Then in the next session, we have to discuss about the construction of triangles when the difference or sum of the two sides and one of the base angle is given. That we will discuss in the next session. So thank you and have a nice day.